Hi guys, hope you're doing well, hope you're doing okay. Um I finished preparing myself. Well, I'm leaving today. I'm going back to work. I had a 1.5 month break uh, for my checkups, for my medical checkups, but right now I'm okay and I'm going back to work. Thanks to God Almighty for healing me. So I want us to accompany in this journey as I start this journey up to Maralal. So thank you so much. Subscribe down there and let's start this journey back to YouTube together. Good morning, guys. I arrived safely yesterday night, and I've been busy. Didn't have power in the morning, so my phone was off. I didn't record anything. So right now I want to clean my house. It's dirty, guys. It's dirty. I've been away from this house for 1 month and a half. 1 month and a half, so it is dirty. Actually, I will show you the before and after cleaning. So it's just like a small 1 bedroom. I'm working in the bedroom right now. I finished doing the dishes. Let me turn outside there. If you can see the dishes there, let it focus. So outside there I was doing the dishes, and yeah, so let's do this and enjoy this vlog, because I think it will be a few days and me preparing back to work, because I'm preparing myself back to work. I think tomorrow, which is Friday, I will go. Today is Thursday. So yeah, let's begin today's vlog. So I want to show you my kitchen right now. This is my kitchen. The kitchen is pretty well dirty, guys. This is my kitchen. I want to remove that drum over there so that I can work on the spacing to make sure that it is well. Yeah. So nitaregesha zile vyombo baadaye. And this is the kapevwe here. Kwenye ufagio kuna kapevwe, and then that other side there is the bathroom. We're doing this first, brushing our teeth. this is my complete look.